Hello everyone. On December 28, Huawei has established a precision manufacturing company with registral capital of 600 million yuan. According to the China Intellectual Property Database, the legal representative of this company is Li Xingguo. The company is fully owned by Huawei and the business type is limited liability company. Also, the registration status is business registered and in operation. Precision manufacturing is the implementation arms of precision engineering. Precision engineering focuses on the design and development of highly accurate component. It takes the original intent and design and converts it into a workable component part. Huawei Precision Manufacturing Company scope includes an optical communication device manufacturing, optoelectronic device manufacturing, electronic component, semiconductor discrete device manufacturing, engineering, technical research and experimental development, technical services, technological development, technical consultation, technical exchanges, technology transfer, technology promotion, import and export of goods, and technology import and export. That's it for now. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.